Hello students, I am Rupinder Singh in front of you. In today's lecture we will start with the rules used for image formation by the convex lens. In these rules, the first rule says whenever the ray of light goes parallel to principal axis of convex lens, it will pass through the focus of the lens. So kindly have a glance of this rule. I will be making you understand this rule. Kindly see. This one is the convex lens, or you can say the converging lens. O is the optical center point. This is the principal axis. This is the point CF1, C1, F2, F1, C2, 2F2. And when the ray of light is parallel to principal axis, this ray of light was parallel to principal axis, it will pass through the focus. It will pass through the focus. It will go like this. So according to this rule, this was the ray parallel to principal axis and it will pass through focus. This is the rule number 1. Now we are into the rule number 2. Rule number 2 says whenever a ray of light passes through the focus of the convex lens or converging lens, it will go parallel to principal axis. A ray of light passes from focus, goes parallel to principal axis. Now the diagram related to this is the convex lens. This is the point optical center. This is the principal axis. This is C1 or 2F1 point. This is C2 or 2F2 point. So now if the ray of light passes through the focus of convex lens, passes through the focus of which lens? Convex lens, like this, it will go parallel to principal axis. I may write it over here. This ray which was coming, it is passing through which point? It is passing through principal focus, and it will go parallel after refraction. Parallel to which axis? Parallel to principal axis after refraction through the convex lens. Thank you. Now we are into the rule number 3. Rule number 3 says if a ray of light pass through the optical center of the given lens, then it will go straight without any refraction from the given convex lens. Rule number 3 is like this. This is our convex lens. This is the point of optical center. This is our principal axis. This is point C1 or 2F1. This is point C2 or 2F2. You can say. Now this rules, according to this rule, if a ray of light is passing through optical center, it will go straight. Passing through optical center does not bend or does not refract. It will go straight. These are the 3 rules. Based on these 3 rules, we are having the 6 diagrams of the convex lens that I will be sharing in the next video straightforward after this video. Thank you.